The following data is collected on two characters. One is literate, another one is illiterate. Cinegoers, non-cinegoers. Literate cinegoers are 83, literate non-cinegoers are 57. Illiterate cinegoers are 45, illiterate non-cinegoers are 68. From the above data, find out there is any relation between literacy and the habit of cinegoers. Chi-square distribution, chi-square value is 3.841. Answer is, first you have to take the hypothesis. First, null hypothesis, alternate hypothesis. So H naught is there is no evidence of association between cinegoers and literacy. H1 is there is evidence of association between cinegoers and literacy. So this is a very important. So next one, we have to find observed frequency. We have to find observed frequency. So I am going to find the observed frequency. So observed frequency. So observed frequencies are, again you have to draw the table. So literate, illiterate, cinegoers, non-cinegoers, 83, 57, 45, 68. So here you have to find the total row wise as well as column wise. So total you have to find row wise as well as column wise. So total is 83, 57 is 140, 45, 68 is 113, 83, 45 is 128, 57, 68 is 125. Total value is 253. This is the total value. So we have got every value. This is called as observed frequency. Observed frequency. So that is very important. Observed frequency. So next we have to find expected frequency. Expected frequency. So expected frequencies are, again you have to write the table. So I will write the table. This is very important. Total value also you have to find for expected frequency. Total, column wise total, row wise total. So row wise total, column wise total. So that can be written as, here is literate, illiterate, cinegoers, non-cinegoers. So here is a, you have to find here, already you have taken here 128 into 140 divided by 253. I will write only one thing, 128 into 140 divided by 253. This is a total value. This is a total value which is equal to 71. Okay. So next one is 128, 113. 128 into 113 divided by 253, which is equal to 69. Understand? So this is very important. So next 125, you have to take 125 into 140 divided by 253. Okay, so you have to find in this way 57. 125 into 113 divided by 253, which is equal to 56. Now you have to add. Again it will be 128. Here is 125, 140, 113, 253. Expected frequencies. So using these values we are going to form the table. So the table values are O, E, expected frequency, O minus E, observed minus expected whole square, observed minus expected whole square divided by expected frequency. So these are very important. This table is so this is the table you got to form. So answer is 83, 57. So what is given? 83, that is given in the problem. 57, 45, 68. Observed frequency total is 253. Expected frequency 71. You have got expected frequency 71, 69, 57, 56. So add these all, 253 total value. This is total value, summation O, summation E. Okay, O minus E, 83 minus 71, 12. 57 minus 69, minus 12. 45 minus 57, minus 12. 68 minus 56, plus 12. O minus E whole square. O minus E 12. 12 square 144. Minus 12 square 144. Minus 12 square 144. Plus 12 square 144. O minus E whole square divided by E. So 144 divided by 71. 144 divided by 71, which is equal to 2.03. In this way, if you are doing, second one is 2.09, 2.53, 2.57. So use the calculator. So summation O minus E whole square divided by E, which is equal to, you have to add 9.22. So now we are going to apply the values in the formula. So chi-square distribution, chi-square, which is equal to summation O minus E whole square divided by E. Okay, so it is equal to 9.22. So chi-square value is 9.22. The degrees of freedom is 1. The table value, here table value is given. Table value of chi-square, that is given, which is equal to a square for 1 into degrees of freedom, which is equal to 3. That is given in the 841. 3.841. Conclusion is calculated value, which is calculated value, chi-square value. Using the table we have got the value. Calculated value is greater than table value. Table value, that is already given in the problem. Calculated value, this is calculated value CV. Table value is 3.841. So 9.22 is greater than 3.841. So therefore we reject H naught is rejected. H naught is rejected. Hence, there is evidence of association between literacy and cinegoers. There is evidence. There is evidence association between literacy and cinegoers.